Alright folks, let's talk about some real issues that could seriously mess with our future. You know, things like climate change, overpopulation, and the ever-present fear of nuclear war. These are not just buzzwords, they're actual threats that challenge the survival of humanity. So, figuring out how to tackle these problems is super important if we want to secure a future for ourselves and generations to come. Now, shifting gears a bit, let's dive into this intriguing idea known as the Deca Millennium Bug. This concept brings up some possible tech-related headaches we might deal with in the next 10,000 years. Think about the Y2K crisis. It created a ton of chaos back in the day. Well, the Deca Millennium Bug could cause similar disruptions in society, and it's definitely something worth keeping an eye on. As we fast forward 10,000 years into the future, things are going to look pretty different, especially when it comes to our genetic traits. It's likely that there'll be a sort of homogenization happening, which means we'll start seeing a more uniform human population. The variation we see now across different regions will be minimized, making us all a bit more alike. Speaking of changes, let's chat about language. Over time, it's expected that languages will evolve dramatically, to the point where only about 1% of the words we use today will still be recognizable. This shift marks a major transformation in how humans communicate, and it's a reminder of just how fluid language really is. Now, turning our attention to Mother Earth, we can't overlook the major geological shifts that are bound to happen. Imagine Niagara Falls eroding over time and new islands popping up. It's a pretty wild image and just goes to show how ever-changing our planet's landscape can be. On the flip side, we have some serious catastrophic possibilities lurking out there as well. Asteroids might come crashing down, causing widespread devastation, and let's not forget supervolcano eruptions. These potential events pose huge risks to humanity's survival over millions of years, and it's definitely a topic worth considering. Looking even further ahead, like 10 million years down the line, we could see something major happen in Eastern Africa as it breaks away to form a new ocean basin. This is a clear sign of tectonic movements and shifts in Earth's geography that will ultimately change regional climates and ecosystems. It's like Earth is always keeping us on our toes. Fast forward another 100 million years, and we might face a catastrophic event similar to the asteroid impact that wiped out the dinosaurs. Yeah, that's right, a huge celestial threat could once again endanger life on Earth. It's a striking reminder that we need to stay vigilant about the risks from outer space. And if we keep looking ahead, in about 600 million years, total solar eclipses might become a thing of the past. Why? Well, the moon will have drifted too far from Earth. This hints at some pretty significant long-term changes in our solar system, which could shake up Earth's natural phenomena and rhythms. In an even darker future, we'll see photosynthesis come to a screeching halt, causing oxygen levels to plummet. Imagine a world where breathable air and ozone are non-existent. Yeah, that's a nightmare scenario for all complex life forms out there. On top of that, with the sun cranking up its luminosity by 10%, we could be looking at average temperatures reaching a scorching 47 degrees Celsius. That means a greenhouse-like environment where oceans evaporate, leaving behind scattered pockets of water. Not exactly the paradise we're used to, huh? Eventually, it's likely that humanity could face extinction, perhaps having already made a move to other planets. Earth would become a stark contrast to what we know today, a harsh, uninhabitable place with extreme conditions that would be utterly alien to us. It really makes you think about our responsibility to take care of our planet now.